In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on your phone in 2025, walking you through a complete tutorial in just about 5 minutes. VPNs, or virtual private networks, are essential tools for ensuring your online privacy and securely accessing the internet from anywhere. Let's dive right in and get started. To kick things off, you'll want to head to the Nordvpn website. This is your go-to spot to get started with downloading the VPN app for your mobile device. Once you're there, your next move is to locate and click on the Login option. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be set up in no time. After you've logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Account Overview section. You'll find this on the Nordvpn dashboard. It's here that you can manage your account details, preferences, and settings, ensuring everything is personalized just the way you like it. With the preliminary setup out of the way, let's move on to downloading the app itself. From your Account Overview page, look for the Download section. This is where you can access different versions of the Nordvpn app tailored for various devices. Since our focus is on mobile usage, you'll select the VPN solution for mobile option. Depending on your mobile device's operating system, you'll need to decide between iOS and Android downloads. Simply click on the appropriate link and you'll be directed to the App Store compatible with your device, whether it's Apple's App Store or Google Play Store. Now, you're almost there. Once directed to the App Store, the final step in this part of the process is to click on Get Mobile App. This will initiate the download. The download and installation process typically takes just a few moments, so hang tight while your device does its thing. With the app now installed on your phone, you're ready to start using Nordvpn. Open the app, sign in with the credentials you created earlier, and you'll have full access to all the VPN features directly from your mobile device. Remember, using a VPN not only secures your internet browsing, but also helps you access content that might be location restricted. You can now enjoy safer and more private browsing, all right from the palm of your hand. That wraps up our complete tutorial on setting up Nordvpn on your phone. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Happy browsing!